In this video, we'll show you step by step how to repair the iPhone 5C LCD digitizer. On a scale from 1 to 10, this repair difficulty is rated a 7. The estimated time for this repair is 25 minutes. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Step 1. Ensure your device is powered down. Step 2. Remove the 2 bottom screws with a pentalobe screwdriver. Step 3. If the glass of your device is shattered severely, it's best to use a suction cup to pull up the screen. If the digitizer is badly shattered, it's best to use the metal spudger tool. Be careful not to scratch up or dent the housing when prying up the LCD. Step 4. Remove the 4 LCD screws with the 00 Phillips screwdriver. This is so you can unplug the LCD digitizer flex cables. Then, remove the LCD digitizer shield. Step 5. Unplug the 3 LCD digitizer flex cables from the board. Step 6. Remove the 2 Phillips screws to remove the home button flex. Carefully remove the flex contact pad with the plastic pry tool. Then, remove the physical home button from the housing. Step 7. Remove the 2 Phillips screws from the proximity shield. Then remove the shield. Step 8. Remove the ear speaker. Step 9. Remove the flex safety tape. Then remove the proximity front camera flex with your plastic pry tool. Step 10. Remove the 6 Phillips screws to remove the LCD shield from the LCD frame. Step 11. Insert LCD protective shield back on the LCD frame and insert all 6 Phillips screws. Step 12. Insert the proximity front camera flex back into the LCD frame. Make sure it's securely inserted or your proximity sensor will not work. Step 13. Align ear speaker back into place. Step 14. If the proximity shield needs a little bending to fit on the LCD frame, now is the time to do so. Align shield and insert the 2 Phillips screws. Step 15. Insert the physical home button into the housing and align the home button flex. Align the home button shield and insert the 2 Phillips screws. Step 16. Plug all 3 LCD digitizer connectors back onto the board. Align the shield and insert all 4 Phillips screws. Step 17. Snap LCD digitizer back into the housing securely. Make sure everything is flush with the housing. Step 18. Insert the 2 pentalobe screws back into the bottom of housing.
We hope our video tutorial has helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial and tech videos. Thanks again for watching.